Giuseppe,
Yes!
look at me. What are we doing?
We are calibrating the anemometer! And you know where the anemometer is? On the roof of the car!
On the roof of the car.
On the roof of the car! Nos vemos, amigo!
WindAid.
Ciao, ciao.
WindAid.
But Giuseppe, you're gonna have to yell because he ain't gonna be able to hear you.
70! Yeah, buddy.
14.2.
How much fun are you having? 14.2?
14.2.
Oh,
Amount of fun.
so that's fun.
Today we are in El Chorro, a community close to Cajamarca on the mountains, and as you can see behind me there is the school of El Chorro where we evaluate their needs of electricity, and after evaluating that we are going to install the anemometer in order to evaluate the wind speed resource here. So now we are touching the anemometer on the top of the pole, and when we rise up the pole, we will measure the wind speed at the same height where the turbine will be. ¿Está bien?
Sí. Ya. Ya.
Ya. So once the anemometer has been installed on the pole, we are going to connect the anemometer to the system. The system is composed is done with an Arduino and a Raspberry. The Arduino will collect the data from the anemometer and send it through a serial port to the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is connected through a USB dongle to the web, and then we will be able to see the data on the IoT platform called ThingSpeak. Finally, we installed the anemometer and the remote monitoring system too, and hopefully within 2 or 3 months we will have enough data to evaluate the feasibility to install the wind turbine in El Chorro. I want to say thank you to this community because we already had lunch prepared by people here, and so thank you El Chorro for this beautiful lunch and this beautiful day. Hasta luego, Chorro.
Hasta luego, Chorro. Gracias. Perú.